So here's a Borgward Isabella from 1959. It's already facelift. And you can also tell here we have the indicator here and there. Later it was only on top, if I'm not mistaken. This is the two-door saloon. Beautiful car. And I like it even more than the coupe because it's just looking, better in my opinion, because we have a nice sized boot. Because the coupe has a much longer boot. Borgward. The owner, he has also once had an Audi 80 B2 like mine. He also already told me if I don't want mine anymore, I shall let him know, because he also would like to get it. Oh, such a beautiful car. But he told me that it's also difficult to drive. So if you are going for a longer tour, then he's preferring more modern cars, because we are noticing that this is a car from the 50s. Such a beauty. Here a cute Italian car made in Germany, which is a very, very popular under the German brand BMW. It's a BMW Tobias. Just kidding, it's an Isetta. It's a moped car, 250cc from 1960. It was built by BMW in license, so it's actually from ISO. It's also a cabriolet, if you can see that. So cool. I'm not sure if I heard my name. Here Volkswagen Golf Mark II GT. Full Mercedes-Benz SL Roadster R107, Porsche 944 S2 Cabriolet, also beautiful in black. AC Shelby Cobra, most likely a replica, maybe we will find out, because there's a data sheet that I could read. W124. And I can tell you it's pretty warm today, and I'm already thirsty. So it's an E220. So, and here is the Shelby Cobra. So, and this is most likely a replica. And this one is from 1970, and it stands Pilgrim Cobra. So I guess Pilgrim was the coach builder of this wonderful Cobra. So, and here 944. Beautiful convertible. And here of course the SL Roadster 300 SL. Here a Fusca, as they are saying in Brazil, or Ocho in Mexico, or here in Germany it's a Käfer, and in English a Beetle. is one of the early ones, as you can tell here. We have the winker. So this is one from the 50s. Probably late 50s when I'm seeing this, I wanted to say the windshield. I mean here the rear window, because it's not the split window and not the oval one. Volkswagen Polo Passat, I mean, of course. A B3, so the third generation, also called the nose bear, because the grille was very tiny, just the Volkswagen logo, and yeah, of course, was a grille integrated in the bumper. Variant means it's the estate. These are also nowadays also a rare sight, but you have seen them for a long time. So we had the grille here and there was just one there. Here a Ford Taunus V6. I believe this is the P5, so one of the predecessors of the Grenada. Back then the German Ford was called Taunus because Cologne is based in Taunus, so here's the coat of arms of Taunus. So not to confuse about the Ford Taunus TC series. TS hardtop. Didn't mention about the P series number. Totally loving this design. Such a beautiful Ford. German Ford. Was only produced here. Short lunch break. Bratwurst with Radler. Radler is half beer and half lemonade. Porsche Speedster. So, my Bratwurst and my Radler is away now. So, not sure if this is a replica, but not looking too original. So here, nice army truck, and some cars are coming, so some more people are just arriving. So this is an old US army truck. So there stands it's a Kaiser Reo. You can read the rest. MOCAS or something like that from 1963. Ah, servus. Bist du mit dem Peugeot da oder was hast du?
Ja.
Super, wo steht er?
Unten steht er mit großem, dicken, sommergroßen Löwenkopf auf dem Motorrad.
Ja, muss ich mir angucken.
Ja, dann
Du bist ja am besten bevor du abfährst, gehe ich gleich um.
Genau.
Also. Bis daher. So, Akku was also just arriving. So, and here a W140 S-Class from Mercedes-Benz. And he told me he's here with his Peugeot 205 at the other end of the show. So I have to check that as well, of course. But first let me get to film this, I wanted to say Volkswagen Calibra, but of course it's an Opel. Opel Calibra 2.0 liter, 115 horsepower. Nice looking coupe. So, and here W126. Beautiful car. It's in 420 SEL. So long wheelbase. Here Porsche G model. Oh, that's also interesting. This is looking kind of like a speedster, if you're seeing this here. And the whale fin. Interesting. Here's a very ratty bike. BMW for sure. With crazy details. Just take a look at this rusty arm. So, if you want to know the time, there an owl sitting there.
Also tschüss, danke, gell?
Does this mean? Also here there's another arm. And one more. Absolutely crazy. Oh, what a crazy bike. And here, from one of the companies here, beautiful E30 Street Series Touring. I do believe I have seen this one very close to where I am living, because I can remember this one on my way back to home when I was walking back to home from my physiotherapist. Austrian license plate, not sure if it's an original one or if it's just a fake license plate. But another E30 pre-facelift, but with painted bumpers.